You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish, meaning a book. In Spanish, how to say book in Spanish. If you want to learn more Spanish, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciations for you. Libro. Li, you know, li, just like you'd say in English pretty much, and then bro. Libro, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, if you cannot roll the R especially, you can say libro. Yeah, libro from Spanish, libro, un libro, or el libro. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.